We have one more hidden treasure to find, and it has to do with merge imports. We would like to import some more information about our expeditions. Okay, so let's hop back to our expeditions table. So what you need for a merge import, you need a field that is required to be unique. We all know record ID has to be unique, right? And there's no option in that. But if you want another field to be your merge field, it has to be unique. So in order to make a field required to be unique, you have to go into the field settings. So for this one, we would like to make our expedition name unique. I'm going to click the kebab and go down to field properties just to hop to it very quickly. Under basics, there's a line that says unique. Let's go ahead and check the box that says must be unique. Now, if you have a lot of data and you want to check existing entries for duplicate values, you could check that box, but we only have less than 10 expeditions here, and we know there's no duplicate values, so no problem there. Go ahead and save, right? So now we have that, perfect. Now we want to import our data. So if you have never imported before, then you are going to click the kebab at the top of your page, and then import export. From here, you have a lot of different options. We're just going to stick with the handy dandy import table from file. Our select table, expeditions, that's great. That's what we're already in. This merge field is what we're looking at. You can click the drop down and it will only allow you to pick fields that are unique. In this one, we made the expedition name unique. So let's go ahead and find our CSV file. I'll go ahead and open that. And notice these are the only file types you can have. Go ahead and click import from file. All right, it's saying, hey, you're gonna maybe update some existing records. That is fine. That's exactly what we wanted to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. All right, so we have our expedition here, name here. That's what's matching to our unique value. Here it says expedition description, but we have some names here. It's not exactly what we were looking for. If you click the drop down, you'll see that we don't have a field for our lead explorer, right? So let's go ahead and click create new field, and you can make it a text or a text multiple choice. Same thing for this value. That is not a start date. Let's go ahead and create new field for that one. A guess currency, that's great. That's the cost of our expedition. All right, you have 3 different import with update buttons here. Doesn't matter which one you click. Just go ahead and click one of them. All right, it's going to say, hey, we're going to create 3 new fields. Is sure that's what you want? Yes. All right, we had 7 records updated, 3 fields created. So I'm going to just go back to our expeditions table. So now we have our information about our lead, our cost, and our crew size appended to our already existing records for all of our expeditions.